What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get the Maserati MC20 Mansory soft kit. Yes, Mansory has shown off in the past few hours the first images of a radical looking body kit design for the Maserati MC20, and the kit has not been completed yet, but there's a preview thanks to a couple of renders published by the same tuner. Now, extra components protruding from the body make Maserati's car look more similar in style to the Project 24 Track Hyper or GT2 racing variant. Now, Mansory's body kit includes more than a dozen parts with a few alternatives for owners to choose from. At the front, the highlight is the huge splitter that's almost as big as the bumper itself, featuring integrated fins while attached to the grille. Now, the carbon fiber gasket around the bumper intakes, headlights, and fender mounted air intakes, the ventilated hood, and set of canards complete the rather aggressive look on this Maserati MC20. And on the profile, there is an equally large piece of carbon fiber that covers the side rails with an aerodynamic extension on the doors. Now, the mirror caps have been converted to carbon fiber, while there is a new cover for the side intakes that feed air into the mid-engine. Now, as for the rear area, Mansory has also added a huge rear wing with 3 bases reminiscent of the Trident emblem mounted above the additional spoiler lip. Now, the rear windshield was replaced by a vented engine hood that has an additional roof mounted vent, and this is definitely going to spoil your visibility in the back, but thankfully the MC20 does come with the optional rear view camera, so you should be okay. Now, finally, there is a large 2-story diffuser that extends to the sides with additional fins and an F1 style brake light. Now, the body kit is available in different carbon fiber variants as well as other Mansory products, and it can be combined with a 21-inch front and 22-inch rear FV5 forged multi-spoke set shod in ultra low profile tires. Finally, the tuner offers a kit of lowered springs, bringing the Maserati MC20 closer to the ground by 25 millimeters. On the other hand, there should be no changes regarding the engine, so you will still have the 630 horsepower V6 Nettuno engine. So with that said, it's very aggressive, it's very out there and in your face and radical. What do you guys think about this Mansory kit or a soft kit for the Maserati MC20? Hot or not? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the new Mansory Maserati MC20. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the one-time link donations in my description below, just in case you guys want to donate to the channel. I appreciate the extra love and support. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in the links below. New hoodie drop for the winter, and check out my social media links as well. Now, you guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.